Roland V-1-4K, professional 4K production without broadcast complexity. The Roland V-1-4K is a compact 4K video switcher built for professional 4K video and audio workflows. Built-in scalers on all 5 HDMI inputs make it easy to connect cameras, laptops, presentation systems, and other video sources without worrying about matching resolutions or formats. The switcher features 5 HDMI outputs, including a dedicated program, preview, and multi-view output, along with 2 outputs with built-in scaler. That gives you the flexibility to connect any 2 monitors, projectors, recorders, or other displays. Roland is an audio company. The V-1-4K features XLR audio inputs for professional microphones and audio sources, along with embedded audio support over all 5 HDMI inputs. Audio outputs include RCA outputs for external sound system and a dedicated headphone output for monitoring. Having professional audio control built directly into the switcher is a major advantage for live streams and live productions. One of the standout features on the V-1-4K is Roland's ROI, or Region of Interest functionality. This allows users to crop multiple virtual camera shots from a single 4K camera source. That can be a huge advantage for productions looking to create a more dynamic content while minimizing the number of cameras needed on set. Finish your production off with Roland's free graphics presenter software for Windows, allowing users to add lower thirds, titles, logos, still images, and other graphics directly into production, perfect for branded live streams. For live streaming, the USB-C output keeps setup simple. Connect the V-1-4K directly to your computer, and it acts like a webcam source for platforms like OBS, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and other streaming software without requiring additional capture hardware. Dedicated hardware buttons, physical controls, and Roland's familiar T-bar transition system make the V-1-4K easy to operate during live production. For more information on the Roland V-1-4K, visit Videoguys.com.